First, I'd like to ask Queen Quet to come forward along with anyone that's representing the Gullah Geechee Nation this evening. We have a proclamation for you, and Queen was telling me that she's got this proclamation from the city on numerous occasions. Please come forward. But this is the first time she's actually received it in the council chambers, so we're so blessed to have you with us here tonight, and I would like to read the proclamation and go on and make a few comments. So, whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week began in the city of Charleston in 2012, and this celebration of the living legacy of Gullah Geechee history, heritage, and culture came about due to the work of St. Helena Island native Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who was installed in 2000 on Sullivan's Island, South Carolina. Whereas Gullah Geechee culture began on this coast as a result of the Africans that were brought here through Sullivan's Islands and sold in Charleston, creating and maintaining this unique culture on the Sea Islands and throughout the Low Country. Whereas Queen Quet and Kwame Shah founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in 2005, which is the culminating event of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, whereas Charleston annually joins with other counties and cities of the Gullah Geechee Nation in these celebrations. And the theme for this year's celebration is Didya de Gullah Geechee. Didya. And as a show of our support, we are calling on all Charleston citizens and visitors to take part in this event's celebratory activities, which will occur in conjunction with the global activities organized for the United Nations International Decade of People of African Descent. And whereas the city of Charleston acknowledges the strength and wisdom of the natives of Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, and supports the honoring of their ancestors who built this region and the continuation of this rich cultural heritage now. Therefore, I, John J. Teckenberg, Mayor of the City of Charleston, on behalf of this City Council and all of our citizens, do proclaim the week of July 28th to August 5th to be the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in the City of Charleston.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I'm glad for deal one more again and chop tongue and thing like that. Glad for deal with all the Gullah Geechee would be in the house this evening, all the sweet rice basket makers, sweet heirs, property lawyer, everybody being here, a family reunion. So glad for deal. I want to say thank you to the mayor, thank you, City Council for this invitation. Because I could have been from Hilton Head because they would want me there this evening too. But I tell them I have to go to the Choctaw this time. Because this is the first time inside this year chamber for this year. And I definitely, for those who, because I know y'all got to come here, so they can't stand tall in the carpet heat like this year. So for all of you newcomers to Charleston, thank you very much for this as well. We will be hosting the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival here in Charleston again this year, the first weekend of August. That Saturday we will be at the Charleston Music Hall for the first time because we cannot go to the Charleston Maritime Center area because we're about to break ground on the International African American Museum, which I have sat on the board for from the beginning, since the beginning. So we're looking forward to that institution coming so the festival will move into that institution when it's here. But I have to say, as much as we celebrate, and as you heard, the men did it the best he could with saying it Gullah. I'm glad they along though. All right, this year the Gullah Geechee is our theme this year, man. And one of the things that concerned me was first, I got a Google alert that said, okay, Charleston and slavery. I said, what else is new? But then when I opened it, it said it was an apology. And I came tonight because first I wanted to thank the city of Charleston for at least apologizing. But I have to also point out that I see y'all largely men on there. Apology means nothing without action. And so we have to have actions behind apology. And usually there's restoration, there's restitution, it leads to reparation. And that's what happens. It's a four-leg table to that process. So I pray that we can continue to work together until that table stands. But on it, I would like a bunch of Palmetto roses. So it hurt me that right when I was about to say, yes, I gotta tell them thank you, I had to turn around and say, well, now I gotta say something else. Because as a queen mother, I take care of the children. And it hurt my heart to see one of our children get arrested because someone was trying to rebadge them, rebrand them in Charleston. We had badges, slave badges in Charleston. And people who own businesses who looked like me and cracked teeth like Alicia had to have them things. We can't make our children feel like they're reliving enslavement because they're doing something legal by continuing their cultural traditions. The palmetto roses hurt no one. They only beautify. And they uplift our cultural community and show that our legacy is still alive. So I want to sit down with you, with the city council, with our Wisdom Circle Council elders, because we cannot have ordinances that bring disorder. And there's been a lot of disorder and pain that has come to the Gullah Geechee Nation in the past couple of weeks because we saw one of our children got arrested for selling a palmetto rose. And we see signs that say, not to buy from the children. Market Street was where our ancestors were sold, but Market Street was where the flower ladies sold their flowers. And where they said, strawberry! And all of that. So we can't make them now say, the children can't carry on what our ancestors been to do, and then say we just celebrate we legacy. So thank you to the city, but I just wanted to bring that in the room so we know we can all still do as the song said and work together, children. All right, we can't get weary. So thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you, Town Council. God bless you, Chucktown family. I'm going to leave these invitations right outside for everybody for takeoff. So if you sign up or grab an agenda when you've been attorney, grab this show when you're going out. And you can follow me at Gullah Geechee on Twitter or Instagram and know all the events coming up. All right.